Yo, what is up guys? It's Chris, and you already know, we stand. Today, it's currently actually snowing, which wasn't even planned, but we're about to go sledding at this huge, crazy hill. We got my brother from the last video, Ender. He's been in a few of my other videos. You already know, so we're gonna drive there. I'll come back as soon as we get there. Be right back. All right, guys, so we made it to the mountain. It's literally like a mountain pretty much. You'll see, I'll record more when we're up there. It's actually kind of turning into a blizzard also, so yeah. And apparently my brother has gone down this before and he couldn't breathe while he was going down. So if we die, may this live on as our legacy. Anyways, I'll be back when we make it up. This. Yeah, honestly, that's expected. All right, we made it. I hate it. It's looking pretty intense. What's your first impression?
I'm gonna die.
What's your first impression?
I'm excited. I'm gonna go from the top. That's my goal today.
All right, let's go. Thanks. All right, guys, we made it up. It doesn't look that steep on camera, but here I go. I'll be the first one. There's some other people coming also, but here I go. YOLO. Okay.
You ready?
Yeah.
Are you anxious? Kinda. Okay. I just hope I don't hit that tree right there. All right. I'm just gonna aim like this way a little. All right. Here we go. Oh shit! I went right to the tree. Oh.
Alright, here I go. Oh shit, I went right for the tree. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay, that was like wicked stupid. I think I might need a different sled. This one needs 2 people in it. Oh shit, I'm just going.
This is my parting
Yo,
words.
wait. Let me flip the camera onto you.
Hello.
What's your final words before you go?
I don't have gloves, so I'm gonna bleed a lot out of my fingies. But you're paying for my medical bills.
Yes.
Wrong.
Got you.
Oh, come on. The fuck is...
Okay. Your hands are gonna be wrecked. Okay. I think the saucer will do a little better, honestly.
I hope the sauce is better.
So these sleds were super cheap that we bought, and also the snow was really fluffy, so it wasn't the best sledding conditions, but we still kept going anyway, and here's what happened next. Some more people just arrived all the way down there. Anyways, I'm gonna switch to this sled. He's doing the big mama, so here we go. Oh shit, he made it. Oh. You always wipe out. All right, I'm gonna try saucer. No one has tried this yet. The 2 long ones are like okay. Hopefully this does good. Yo, record me. All right, yeah, that happened to me. All right, here I go. Hopefully this one works. I feel like it's just gonna tunnel into the snow, but let's try it. Oh shit, okay. Oh. As you can tell by this freeze frame right here, next time we'll be bringing goggles.
I hit a rock.
Oh shit. Bro. That went all in my face. Oh, and my jacket came up and it got like on my back too. I'm gonna tuck in my shirt. Oh, my butt is wet. It feels like I like pooped my pants or something. All right, are one of you guys going? Because I'll record you down here. Really wish I had a better mask. Oh, shit. Damn, that was pretty good, actually.
It was just at the end, I kind of f***ed up.
Yeah. All right, I'm going. Oh shit. Okay, I need to see that again. Oh shit. Bro, you like did a ninja flip at the end.
So that is the spot to go.
You look like Jack Frost.
You.
So here I'm about to try it standing up. That was a pretty obvious outcome.
Bro, I actually can't feel my legs. The water's starting to like frost over my skin.
Dude, you always go like right for the trees and it's like not on your path at all. I think this one's the best one.
Also, my phone got water in it and my skin is starting to frost.
And it's just like messed up.
Is your phone okay? It's all in the phone.
Oh, there he is, there he is.
There he goes. Move out of the way. How is he not getting snow in his face?
Yeah. I think I kind of want to try one of theirs.
Yo, can I try one of yours?
Sure.
Word.
I found that in the woods.
Oh. Why is there just an entire squadron of starlings here? I can't feel my phone.
Huh? There's no cutting in on that. I'm not going far.
Alright, I say we go back. Okay.
Fish.
Peace. I ain't sledding. Get that camera off. Is this what a waterlogged ass feels like?
Yeah.
Yes.
All right, guys, it went pretty well. We're gonna try and get some better sleds, maybe come back before winter's over. Also possibly with Calvin, because this is a call out on Calvin. He said he was gonna come and then he started ignoring us. So Calvin, we're calling you out, bro. What's up? Yeah, you're gonna want to take a hot shower.
Also, mainly because I can't feel my ass.
Yeah, I couldn't really earlier, but now it melted.
Yeah,
I guess I got a flame bussy.
Ass. Congratulations.
No, my flame bussy melted it. You guys already know. Leave a like if you enjoyed. StanChris, stay woke. Peace.